Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. My husband and I are middle-aged, and if you are middle-aged or older, you know that at some point you have had some major shoulder or knee pain. So nice to have this heat massager in our house. This is by Sticro, and my husband had a labral tear in his shoulder, and so he was going to physical therapy, and it would tense all of his muscles up, so they said that it would feel better if he got it massaged. So it's so nice to be able to just put this bad boy on him and turn it on, and he was good to go. And he said how much better this made his shoulder feel, everything really relaxed down. So this thing can fit either shoulder and either knee, which is so nice to have one thing that can work on all of those different places. So you just plug it in. It does have to be plugged in while you're using it. And then these are the on and off buttons. So you can just turn it on, holding this down. You hold it down for 3 seconds, and it will automatically turn on. But they also have this little remote so that you can change the settings or the heat. And there's also different massage modes. So there is greater intensity, and then if you turn it down, it also will go to one that is intermittent, if you hear it. So if your body's falling apart like my husband and I's, go ahead and have this little handy thing in your house. It will really help. You can sit on the couch, put this bad boy on, and let those knots be massaged away. And that is our point of view.